this video, we're going to show you the best way to get started running sprints, as well as some tips and tricks that will help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Welcome to Health Atlantic, and today we are going to talk about how to be successful at running sprints. Running sprints is one of the best ways to stay in shape because it can burn up tons of calories quickly while toning your muscles. This workout plan is designed for beginners who have never tried before or been away from it for a while but want something challenging. 1. Find a place to run that is flat and unobstructed. This can be inside or outside. You want the running space to feel safe, so find a place with few cars or people. If you are running on an asphalt surface, wear shoes that will provide some traction and avoid those made of slick material like rubber soles, as this could lead to slipping during sprints. 2. Warm up for 5 minutes before you start running. Run in place for 1 minute, then do some basic stretching exercises like touching your toes and doing a lunge stretch. Do this again after 2 minutes of running. Doing these warm-up stretches will reduce the risk of injury when you start running at full speed later on. Do not forget to stop every few minutes while running and do some dynamic stretches, as these will improve your running form. 2. You can also wear a heart rate monitor to measure the intensity of your workout, but this is optional for beginners or those just getting back into shape. 3. Start with a 10-second sprint, followed by 30 seconds of walking, repeating 8 times. 4. Cool down with 5 minutes of walking. Running sprints every day is an excellent way to stay in shape without ever getting bored of the same routine or feeling overly exhausted from your workout. If you're looking for ways to get more fit and live a healthier lifestyle, then try incorporating these exercises into your schedule once or twice per week. We promise that they'll make all the difference. Hope you enjoy our video for running sprints every day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.